I will create a new project. Then Java application, click next. Then the project name as, I can select it as the project name operators. Right, then this will be stored in the D drive. D drives folder, there's a folder called as NetBeans. Then it will be storing their class name. Let's say the class name is J operators. Then click finish. Right, then you will be directed to this source code, source window. Then I will paste these coding lines here. There I have declared two variables called as int a assigned 10, int b assigned 20, right? Then I have used the relational operators equal, not equal, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, right? Then after that I'll save the program, then run the program. Then you can see the results. Right? A equals B is false and not equal B is true. A is not equivalent to B. Then A is greater than B is false. Less than B is true. Likewise. Right? Then please take a piece of paper and take down this program. Take down the program in the piece of paper. Right? Then after that I'll give you the time to compile these things and check. Or else you can take a photograph of this. Anyway, I will give you the time to compile the programs, right? Till we haven't moved on to the much more advanced topics. Right, I think now the given time is sufficient for you to take down this program, right? If not, please inform me, otherwise I'll move on to the next topic, right? Then I am going to stop sharing this the NetBeans screen, right? Then again I'll be moving to the presentation. We were discussing about these relational operators. Then the next category is the bitwise operator. Right, if we take the bitwise operator, then there are bitwise AND, bitwise OR, bitwise XOR, and bitwise complement operators. Then left shift, right shift, and zero fill right shift. Right, those are the bitwise operators. Right, then I'm not going to discuss examples about bitwise operators here, but you should know that there are bitwise operators, right? Then we'll move on to the next category of operators, those are called as logical operators. Under the logical operators, there are three logical operators given. One is called as logical AND, then the other one is logical OR, then the next one is logical NOT, right? Then we'll see how we can deal with logical operators. Right, again, then I will share the screen of the NetBeans. Right, this is how we can deal with the logical operators, right? Here I have declared again two Boolean variables called as A, and A's value is stored as true, then B's value is stored as false. Then I want to check whether A is equivalent, A and B. Then A or B and not A and B, right? Then when I run the program, you can see the results as A and B as false, A or B as true, not A and B as true, right? Then again you have to take down this program or take a photograph of this program. Right, I think now the given time is sufficient to take down this program. If not, please inform me, otherwise I will stop sharing the screen. Right, then I will stop sharing the screen. Then again, we have to move on to our presentation. We were here under logical operators. I have given you the program. Then we have the next category of operators called as assignment operator. It can be if one equal sign is used, then that is assignment. Then this is addition assignment, decrement assignment, and multiplication. Likewise, you can use the basic mathematical operators with the assignment operator, and bit shift operators as well. Then AND assignment, and these two are bit shift operators. Then AND assignment, O, and XO according to my name, right? Then again I will give you an example for this example program. I will comment out these previous coding lines and use the new one. And save the program, and I will run the program. Then you can see the results of the program, right? Under the main method, you have to declare these three variables: A assign 10, B assign 20, and C assign 0. A plus B is 30, then C will get the C assigns the A plus B, then C's value becomes 30, right? Then plus or equal A, then 30 plus 10 is 10 becomes 40. Likewise, you can see the output. Anyway, you have to take down the program correctly, right? Otherwise, you won't be able to get the expected results or the expected outcome from the program, right? Please take down this program quickly. Right, I think now the given time is sufficient to take down the program, right? Then, if you have any questions so far, please ask now. Right? No questions. Anyway, now if you have any difficulty or anything which you can't understand, please tell me now, right? Rather than complaining to the coordinator or the higher levels. Right? I think I have told you this situation because if you have a problem, then you have to solve it and you have to discuss it with the ground level first. After that, if you are not getting the expected solution, then you can move on to higher levels, right? Because I have the if you complain to the top level also, anyway, I'll have to solve the problem, right? Therefore, if you have any difficulty of understanding or any other problem, please tell me now. Because others, if you go and complain to others also, they will direct your question to me, not only to, they are also not providing the solutions. Anyway, the solution will have to give from my side, right? That's why I am telling you. Right, anyway, if there are no questions, then I'll move on to the next slide. And again, I will stop sharing this NetBeans window. Then we were discussing about the assignment operators, right? Then I have given you the program for the assignment operators as well. Then the next category is called as miscellaneous operators. One is the conditional operator. Right? Another terminology given for this conditional operator is the ternary operator. Right? Then this operator consists of three operands and it is used to evaluate Boolean expressions. Then the goal of the operator is to decide which value should be assigned to the variable. Then the operator will be written as in this manner: variable, then x assign expression, then this operator value if true, otherwise value if false, right? Then again I will give you an example for this conditional operator. Then I will stop sharing the presentation. Right, then this is the program. Two variables are given of the type integer a and b. Then a's value is 10. And b assigns a equals 1. Then ternary operator 20, 30. Right? Then the first part is value if true. Other one is value if false. Right? Then value of b is. Then a's value is 10. Then b's value is b will get a equals 1, right? Then we have to check whether the given condition is true or false, right? Then save the program and run it. Right? Then the false part is 30, right? Then value of b will be displaying as 30, right? Because a's value is 10. Then a equals 1, right? Then false part will implement first, right? Then in the second situation, b assign a equals 10, right? Then it will implement the true part, which is given as 20. True part is given by using the value 20 because a is exactly equals 10, right? Here also a assigns 10, a equals 10, then true part will be implemented, right? That is what is given here. When ternary operator is used according to the given condition, the first part represents if the given value is true, other part is represents if the given value is false, right? Then take down the program. I think now the given time is sufficient to take down this program. Then if there are no comments, I will stop sharing the screen. NetBeans window again. Right, we were discussing about the miscellaneous operators. Then we'll move on to the last topic to be discussed under operators, that is operator precedence. Right? Then this will determine the order in which the operators in an expression are evaluated. Right? That is what is given under the operator precedence. Right? Then actually, that is the end of the operators topic. Anyway, I have to give you the precedence levels of the operators. Then I think I have stored it here. Right. Anyway, Then I will share that Microsoft Word thing here. Anyway, I will try to get the thing. This one, share. Okay, now it works. Right, now you can see this precedence level, operator and the type, then associativity. Now you can see there are 15 precedence levels given for the operators, and when the larger the number means higher precedence. If the precedence is high, then that operator will implement first in a given equation, right? Then again you have to take down these operators, these precedence levels in a piece of paper, or else you have to get a photograph of this window, right? I'm always telling you better if you can take down these things in a piece of paper or else in a book. Otherwise, these things will not go into your mind, right? The instruction is always given to the way which you should use to keep these things in your mind, right? Otherwise, there's no point of teaching. Right, I think now the given time is sufficient to take down these precedence levels. Now, when you look at this table, now you can see that highest precedence level is given to parentheses, then array subscript and member selection. Those operators will get the highest precedence level in Java programs. Then the least or the lowest precedence level is given to the assignment, addition assignment, subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, division assignment, and modulus assignment, right? Those operators, already we have discussed about these things: assignment, then addition assignment, then subtraction assignment, multiplication assignment, and division assignment, and the modulus assignment. Those operators will get the lowest priority in a given equation, right? Then when we consider the ternary operator, its precedence level is higher than the assignment operators. If a ternary operator and an assignment operator is there, then ternary operator will implement first other than the assignment operator, right? That is what you have to understand. That's why this table is given. Now this last statement is very important. Larger number means the higher precedence. Higher precedence means implementation will take place first according to the precedence level, right? If there's an operator of the precedence level 15, then it will implement first, right? This is just a general thing. If there are operators, then this is just a general thing. If there are parentheses in an equation, then it will implement first, right? This thing actually I have told you in the data structures module as well. right? Though this content is divided under different modules, there are links between each and everything, right? Fundamentals are common for everywhere, right? Right, that's about the operators. Today I have discussed the entire content about the operators. Right, then I will stop sharing the screen. Then actually, if you have any questions, you can ask now. From the beginning, I told you that please rename this. Please rename your login, right? I can see Sachinta here. Now, I think these people have logged in to the meeting later. Anyway, if you are logging to the meeting, you have to rename your login using your student registration number, right? Otherwise, when we are taking the attendance for the meetings, you will have difficulties. If you are not renaming, then you will mark as an absent one, right? Please take that into your mind. Right, anyway, if you have any questions, please ask now. In the rest of the time, there's some time remaining. Then you have this time is given to write the programs using NetBeans, compile it, and get the results. Right. So far, we haven't moved into the advanced topics. Right. That means we'll be day by day we'll be moving into advanced topics. During that time, I'm planning to give you the chance to write programs and share the screens with me, right? Otherwise, I can't understand whether you have done this or not. When I ask you to raise a question, also no reply coming from your side. Anyway, I'll stop the discussion for today.